Hello friends, welcome back. I am actually sharing a little bit about my night, a little vlog style. Tomorrow I do have clinicals starting at 7 a.m. and I just wanted to share a few things that I do to prepare for the next day, and just kind of some things that I just did to like relax and unwind. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys keep on watching. But I did just get home from work. I did a workout and then I'm just sipping on a protein shake while I get some baking done. And I was actually really excited on how this turned out because I normally bake with almond flour, but I have a hard time finding recipes to have like a really good consistency or texture. Sometimes it's just way too mushy and just like not firm enough. But this banana bread was actually absolutely perfect and it was cuttable and just turned out absolutely amazing. But I will go ahead and leave that recipe down in the description box for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So I believe this had to bake for about an hour. So I went ahead and put that in the oven, and then I needed to get some things done. So I started on some dishes. I needed to take a shower. And then I did need to eat something for dinner because I did not have anything like meal wise after my protein shake. So it's been a little while, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I went ahead and started doing some homework because, you know, as a nursing student, there's just like a never ending like supply of homework. It just doesn't stop. But if you guys don't know, I actually only have a couple weeks left of this last fourth semester, and then we have our preceptorship, and then I'm going to be done. Like, I can't even believe it. Time has been flying. I'm really nervous, but I did accept a position in the emergency room, so that's where I'm going to be working. So if you do not follow me on social media, I've shared this quite a few times now, but I have been making little badge buddies for my coworkers and friends and just some random people that I've met on social media. But I absolutely love crafting, if you guys have not tell yet from YouTube channel, because I post all the time about crafting and just some of the stuff that I have been making as far as cups and things. But I just really like these badge reels. They're super easy to make and it's just fun to make, and I just like making different fun designs with different vinyl and stuff like that. So but I do have my store and everything listed down below. If you guys want to check it out on my website as well, I will have everything listed, so make sure you guys check the description and take a peek. Days that I have to be up really early, one thing that I like to do is actually straighten my hair, or just have my hair done the night before. That way I can just kind of wake up and not really have to do anything to it. I do sometimes have to touch it up in the morning with my straightener, but as far as actually doing my hair and spending time on it, a lot of the time I just have spent time the night before doing it, so that way I can sleep in a little bit longer and just not worry about getting ready forever. And then I did do some laundry. By this point it is 10 o'clock at night and I'm beyond tired and didn't get much sleep because I had to be up at 5:30, 5:45 in the morning. So I didn't get a good amount of 8 hours or anything, but that's just the story of my life. I don't get a lot of sleep. So here I am, and I'm going to be calling it a night, but I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Just know that I do upload videos every single week. If you guys have any video suggestions that you guys want me to film, make sure you guys comment down below, and I will definitely look forward to creating videos that you guys are interested in. But I will go ahead and see you guys in my next one. Bye.